Now we move forward to hear our next eminent guest, Mr. HMP Singh, ex-MD, ISCO Burnpur, and presently advisor of Topworks. Sir, I request to kindly deliver a few words for QCFL.
Good evening to all of you. Respected Mr. Prashad, respected Mr. Degan, respected Mishra ji, respected Ms. Karma ji, respected Bachar ji, respected JP Singh ji, and all respected representatives from different organizations who are present here. My good evening to all the young participants who have come here to participate in the QCFI, this program, and my good wishes to all of them for a very successful event. Ladies and gentlemen, when Mr. JP Singh last time asked me to come for the advisory board, I was thinking I am now too old to participate and too old to contribute. But I feel that age is no bar, a man can always contribute at any time. In fact, my memory lane goes back to 20 years, 25 years back, when I was personally very much involved with the quality sector. I was general manager cold rolling mill, and cold rolling mill is a very big department where around 3,000 people were working, and we had developed a lot of quality circles, and there was a lot of contribution from almost each of quality circle. The quality circle from Bokaro, they won a lot of national award. I don't remember international award, but they won a lot of national award. At that time also, I used to tell my management that quality circle achievements should not be measured by what suggestion, what problem solving they have done. In fact, it's a very good forum for involving the people. I used to tell my colleague, I used to tell my workers that don't think that what you have contributed by making a successful problem solving. What I am happy that if the group of people sitting together, thinking positively, how to improve the performance of the plan, how to solve this problem, this positive mindset is the biggest advantage of quality circle. Generally people measure the success of quality circle by what innovative suggestion they have made. I see it from different angles. Because as Mr. JP Singh told, that now steel industry is passing and aluminum passing through a difficult time. So the participation has gone down. I have a different view. This is the time when quality circles should be more active so that they can bring the industry from this trouble period. They can contribute because quality circle is a process where very innovative ideas, very good teamwork is learnt and taught. I feel that today's theme I have seen that the concept is making India our Prime Minister's vision through quality concept. I am telling you, this quality circle and quality concept is the only thing that can make India successful in making India. Because I remember those people, all of you must be, maybe not be born, but in the year 44, 45, 46, people used to tell, Japani mal darya mein dal. It was so bad, quality was so bad, they had started their industrial revolution, they were copying the material, they were trying to do something somehow. But today, all of us look whether it is made in Japan. If it is made in Japan, that means the product must be of excellent quality. That level of quality consciousness, that level of achievement in quality will have to bring. Today, when I think, like Prime Minister vision Make in India. Similar was his vision Swachh Bharat. But Swachh Bharat has also gone in the wind. Why? I feel this Swachh Bharat or Make in India can be made successful only like Swachh Bharat. Suppose in a Mahalla, if all the people they form a quality circle, they join together, they analyze what are the issues that is causing the dirtiness in our area of society, how we can solve this, how we can take care of. Unless the people's participation, quality circle gives a forum where people can come, they can exchange their idea, they can give their innovative idea, and then they succeed. So this type of this Swachh Bharat Abhiyan can be made successful only if the quality circle goes to village, goes to each house, goes to every mahalla. I feel that quality circle movement has to be started like a movement. Not only, we should not be limited to our quality circle forum in some industries. I am happy that quality circle has taken roots in some educational institution, in some of the railway institution. But unless it becomes a way of life, unless every household, they believe in quality circle and quality way of life, unless every village, they form a quality circle and they start thinking in quality life, this country has no future. In fact, whatever we may say, unless we have this conviction that quality will only bring us and take us to the top, that can only make us succeed. I feel the quality circle movement should be started from the very grassroots level, so that we can make a successful industry, we can make a successful railway, we can make a successful institution, we can make a successful society, we can make a successful town. So this should be a way of life, and I feel this needs a movement. This has to be taken as a revolution. Then only we succeed. With these words, I give my good wishes to all the participants and the best of luck. And never get carried that that group got gold, I have not got anything. This is a only process of positive thinking, positive mindset. Any company who are having the employee having positive thinking, only that company can become great. Any country where the peoples are having positive mindset, only that country can become great. With these words, I give you my best wishes and thank you.